Hi, my name's Dave with CNH Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today I want to show you a newer Toyota Tundra. We just did a level kit on it that was a front and rear. It's by Southern Truck Lifts. It turned out really nice. One of the reasons I like the Southern Truck Lift is on the front they give you the option of how high you want to go. So some guys might not want as much space in the wheel well. This guy is already planning on doing tires at some point in time. His tires are getting low. I asked him, he said put all the spacers in. So if you look in here, they have a big spacer right here, and then there's two little ones. If we don't put those in, the truck's gonna sit a little lower. But by putting these in, it's the max level that you can get on this truck. So now he's got plenty of clearance. He should be able to clear 33, 12 and a half R20s, keep his wheels. And it went in super easy. As far as the Toyota goes, this is probably one of the easiest kits, and we can knock it out for you in no time. It was a nice clean install. We also did the rear. He got the kit that they sell it as a front kit or a front and rear kit. We always recommend you do front and rear because eventually you're gonna wanna do the rear anyway. The rear is just a set of leveling, a set of blocks that go in there with new U-bolts for the hardware. And the blocks are nice because they are made out of a composite material. They're not metal. And what that benefit to you is they're not gonna rust, they're not gonna corrode, they're gonna last the life of their truck. And everybody knows Toyotas last forever. So it's a good kit. It's not an expensive kit. And it levels out the truck. It gives him the option to put bigger wheels and tires on. Well, like he said, he's not gonna do wheels, but bigger tires. But if you own a Toyota, a Tundra, give us a call. We can work with it. We can get you set up with something like this on your truck. It's about a day to get it installed. We can take care of the alignment. You're good to go down the road. And then you start that new look on your truck. So if it's something you're interested in, come and see me or Chris at the store. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. If you guys want to see something, if you have any ideas, if you want to see a different lift kit on a different truck, let us know. We'll try to get it on. We'll try to get a video out for you so you have an idea of what you're looking at. Thanks. Have a good day.